Alrighty, welcome back YouTube. Today I'm going to be changing the air filter in this one with a K&N. And the one paper, I figure you know why I keep buying those ones, and where I can just put a K&N in there, clean it every time instead of wasting money on putting another paper one in there, right? So, according to K&N's air filters, these are the ones that they come with for the charger. I'm going to pull out the old one and kind of compare the two and kind of give you like a description of what each one is like and how it works. So yeah.
What is you crazy mother?
Basically for this install we only need a Phillips screwdriver, and then basically there's a bolt here. Oh, get that out of the way. There's a screw in here, here, and then there's just two tabs that hold it in place there. So yeah, I'll get that undone here. Now you can use hex heads for these as well, but I figured it'd be easier with this. So, and just pull up on it a little bit. Should pop up just like that. Everything's good. So here's the old filter. As you can see, it's kind of blowing oil into the air filter, so it's about time to replace this anyways. But what I'm thinking is, because I have this oil catch can with the breather on this side going to the PCV, this side's not vented, and it's any pressure in the crank or in the valve covers, I should say, it's just blowing back into there. I don't know if I should put one of the small filters in here and just let it breathe to the air, or if it's this one here that needs to be changed. If you guys know, comment in the comment section below and let me know if you guys know anything. Yeah, I don't know if I've shown you guys under the hood before, but basically before I had this bracket made, focus, I used a shelf hanger just to hold it in place, but that looks a little better. Kind of color match it to the car. But yeah, I did a review on this one, so if you want to go through my videos, and it's about the catch can. This car for some reason doesn't catch as much oil as most people collect in theirs. Not 100% sure why, but every time I look it's dry, so it's venting. There's no oil in there, that's fine, it's still venting. But yeah, let's put the other one back in. Okay, let's just compare the two before I put this one in. So as you can already tell, the design is completely different. This one's got quite a bit thicker distance between this one here, so that's going to allow for quite a bit more air I was reading on the box that these ones with the flat filters do about, what will it say, 295 CFM. Let me get the box here. Some accurate numbers for you. Okay, so yeah, 319 for a regular paper filter, as you can see right there. It'll focus. There it is. And then they're claiming 441 for the K&Ns. So I don't know if I will notice a difference until springtime, but if I remember, I'll definitely do a video on that to kind of compare the two. I mean, I haven't really noticed anything different with this one when I replace it with a new one, so I'm pretty sure this will breathe more. And they claim, you know, horsepower gains, but it's been proven time and time again that it's probably only like 5 to 10 horsepower, if even. It's more just to breathe better, make it run better. So let's get it installed. Basically, throw it in there, this side down, so it'll go this way. And the nice thing about the K&N as well is it's this material they use with the oil on there. Basically absorbs all the dirt, and you can clean these. Whereas these ones, once they're done, they're garbage, and you can blow air through them if you want. But like, why spend, I don't know what they are, like 15 bucks a piece every oil change or every other oil change, when you can just do one of these and clean it every time. They got a million-mile warranty, so if it doesn't work, you can bring it back and get another one. So it's 60 bucks, multiple times of 15. Eventually it catches up and this goes way over, so I said screw it, K&N it is. And eventually I want to do a different intake anyways, because I've got future plans for this thing. Not 100% sure when it's going to be, so I'll just keep that on the down low right now. But yeah, stay tuned for that, because it'll be exciting if I do it. So that's how it looks in there, nice and snug. Alright, so all that's left to do is put this sticker on the intake so no one throws it out when they do oil changes at the shops. So I'm thinking probably right here. I think that would look good, yeah. Wipe the spot down. See if I can get a wet rag somewhere. We'll just wipe it off nicely. Good enough. Yeah, I know this ain't professional, but hey, it's just a sticker. One-handed. What? Right there. I'll stick it on. Flip it over. And pull back. Beautiful. No bubbles. Alright, look at that. Okay, so I know this was a short video, nothing exciting, but there's not much content I can make when it's winter outside, and basically this is all I have right now to show you. But I'm looking to getting a new place. It's going to have a nice garage in there. Hopefully that goes through. And I'll be able to do more stuff to the Skyline, more stuff to the bike, and obviously the Charger as well. So stay tuned. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try to answer the best I can. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Look at all my other videos. There's some good stuff in there. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.